Minasan konnichiwa and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Do you know learning Japanese start with just 5 magical sounds? Let's open the door to Hiragana today, beginning with the very first row, A, I, U, E, O. I shall show you a simple word for each so you can feel the sound and remember it forever. Ready? Let's dive in. First comes A. Ah. Imagine standing in the rain with an umbrella. It's Ame Rain. The sound is as soft as raindrops. Ah. Ame. Next is E. Like E in sea. Picture your warm, safe house. EA meaning house. When you say it, smile a little. E. EA. Then we have U, like U in food. Think of your favorite song, that's Uta, meaning song. Let the sound flow like music. U, Uta. Here is A. Look at the fun part. The word for English in Japanese is Eigo. So when you say A, you are already saying English. Eigo. And finally, O. Imagine a Japanese folktale about Oni Demons. They sound scary, but here it's just a word to remember. O. Oni. So, here are the 5 sounds that open the world of Japanese. A, I, U, E, O. A stands for Ame, rain falling gently. E stands for EA, a cozy house. U stands for Uta, a beautiful song. A stands for Eigo, which means English. O stands for Oni, the demon from folktales. Together they are A, I, U, E, O, the very first step in Hiragana. Practice these sounds daily with the examples and soon it will feel natural. In the next lesson, we will continue with the next row. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling. Cha, mata ne.